Hi, my name is Stephanie Barros, and I'll be talking about Lab 11, which is Grignard reactions. I'm going to start off by speaking about the mechanism of the reaction. So at first, we start off with benzene, bromobenzene. The bromine has 3 pairs of electrons plus the magnesium, which will result with the benzene attached to magnesium bromide. So bromine is going to be partially negative, and magnesium is going to be partially positive. That carbon that it's attached to will be partially negative because they have to be opposite charges in order for them to bond and attract. So taking that result, we're going to take the electron that the carbon has, and it's going to grab that partially positive sign from the carbon, and that double bond for the oxygen is going to go into the oxygen, making it have an excess of electrons, which we see right here in the product after that. We have 3 pairs of electrons this time, which is why we add the negative sign, which means there is an excess in electrons, plus the magnesium bromine. After that, we're going to take this exact solution that we got here, and we're going to add H2O in order to get this acid, which results with the 2 benzenes connected by the carbon and then the OH. The oxygen is going to be partially negative and the hydrogen is partially positive, plus the magnesium bromine hydroxide, OH, I think that's hydroxide. Some precautions that you can take while performing this experiment is keep in mind that when you're extracting the aqueous layer with the 20 milliliters of diethyl ether, that is to increase your yield. That's the purpose of adding that. Also, if you have early protonation in your experiment, you will most likely have a lower yield. You have to be careful for any contaminations. Any contaminations will also either lower your yield or increase your yield more than you want it to. And the flask itself, make sure that it is dry, because if there's water or, again, any other contaminants, it will change your yield. It will either increase it or decrease it. Also, be very careful. It says it in the video. You have to be very careful when you add each solution into the mixture. Be very careful with the addition of those solutions.